Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, I'd like to say it's an honor to be here and present to you all my topic, rainforest. As you guys know from the last lesson, a rainforest is a very thick forest filled with plants and trees that grow well in very wet climate. Rainforests also the home of tribal communities. They also help us supply food and water for people who live in and around them. But also they remove a huge amount of carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen for us to breathe. But unfortunately, all rainforests are endangered. That means they are disappearing. Each year, millions of our area of rainforests are disappearing. That means every second the size of a football field disappears. That's 31 million football fields of rainforest disappear each year. The rainforests are being cut down for wood, for construction, furniture, and burning. They also being cleared for farming, and road building is taking down rainforests as well. So we need to do something to protect the environment. Thank you for listening.